Hello, welcome to this tutorial channel. Today we will see how to draw JANDEL admin from Grow a Garden. I will start making the hat with a straight horizontal line. In the same way we make another equal line above. And we color the 3 circles black. Okay, we just need to draw the collar of the shirt. Perfect. We finished drawing Jandel, and if you want, you can color him. Well, that's all for this video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you'd like, feel free to leave me ideas for the next drawing. See you in the next video.